In this video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload and schedule social posts in HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here into your HubSpot and then head over to Marketing and Social in order to create a social post. You also have the option to bulk upload that, so let's head over to that particular page. Click on this and click on Social. Now for this, you can just use the bulk upload and download the CSV templates given to you, and you can just fill in that with your post dates and times. Now, you should be able to see what it would look like if you have Google Sheets or Excel open. You can see right here what it would look like. You can schedule your posts in bulk. Just upload a CSV and you can download the export or the Excel import template and CSV from import template as well. You just also need to take note of these dates as well as the former times for the hours. Download it and then input right here the details such as account, date, message, link, photo URL, and campaign. And then once you have done that, you just need to upload it and then all of your posts will be bulk uploaded and scheduled. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.